Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today on the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. Now we're sharing some of the most common questions we've been asked to help you prepare for your Christmas wreath workshops. Now in today's frequently asked question video, we'll be answering what gauge wire would you use for a whole orange or lemon for my decorations. Now if you haven't joined us before, my name is Debbie and I work with Triangle Nursery. We are an online wholesaler selling fresh seasonal flowers, foliage and accessories at wholesale prices to everyone. We offer delivery direct to your door within the UK with no minimum order. Now typically for wreaths I would use a 0.71 or a 0.90 millimetre by 200 or 300 millimetre wire gauge, and in particular for fruit, because they can be relatively heavy, I suggest you use the heavier gauge wire as they need a little bit more support when inserting into your wreath in comparison to a fruit slice. So a 0.9 or 90 millimetre is preferable. So let's begin by showing you how to wire a whole fruit ready to insert into your wreath. Now this can be quite a fiddly thing to do, so you need to be quite patient. So as you can see, the whole orange or lemon has actually been segmented. So the idea is that you push your wire through one segment with it coming out on the other segment. So as you can see, not the easiest thing to do. Let me try the next segment. There we go. I think we're through. Hey, we're there. So push the wire all the way through, bring the two ends of the wire together nice and strongly, and then twist the wires together, creating a double leg mount, and then it's all ready to insert into your wreath. Now I'd recommend once you push that into the wreath, bring the return end of the wire back into the moss just so it helps for extra anchorage. Now I'd always recommend that you get everything prepped before you start wreath making, so you can do this process in advance and it will certainly reduce the amount of time spent in the workshop. Well, that's it for today's frequently asked question. We hope this helps you decide which is the right wire for your decorations and how to wire a whole fruit. Head over to our channel for more Christmas videos to help you prepare your workshops. All of the products mentioned in the video are available to purchase on our website, so please refer to the links in the description below. And if you have any more questions or require any advice, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us directly on the telephone or via email. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Triangle Nursery Flower channel. See you again soon. Bye for now.